Boom, boom, this is Kendra. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. All right, so we have got big event up for Azure Lane today. Okay, so as you know, the Way Home event ended last night, and they posted the new event. It just came active like an hour or so ago. So I've been running through all the stuff that they've got, and they've got a lot. This is a huge event, huge event. So let's go ahead and talk about what we've got here first. So we've got the early summer celebration. This runs until the 17th. You need to log in for 7 days to get this. Okay, to get this early summer invitation. This is going to be invitation is going to be used to exchange for some super rare ships. They haven't announced which ship or ships it's going to be used to exchange for, but that's what it's intended for from the way I've been understanding it. So you definitely want to make sure that you get this. And the way that you get this is simply playing the game in the Manju Plaza. It's just play this once a day. Manju Misadventures. You play it. It's just that it's a mini game. There's no score. You just play it. Have fun with it. You know, it's just like all the other times, and you'll get the check in. Okay, that's all you have to do. Okay. So that's all it is. So don't panic about that, okay? So now there's some other items inside of this shop here, and you'll notice that it allows you to gain extra experience and whatnot, various different items, and you'll see that you increase your dorm experience, outfit store, which is your outfits and whatnot. As always, limited constructionist takes you to the build screen, which I'll talk about here a little bit later. And then you've got a burger joint. This allows you to increase your tactical training percentage points, okay? And then dumpling house, which allows you to increase the damage your ships, okay? And you'll notice that all of them are taking this building material right here. This building material is available in the missions tab right here, okay? So certain missions will allow you to get building materials, okay? So that's where you get the building materials. What you want to use those building materials is up to you. You know, you might want to increase your dorm percentage. You might want to increase your damage percentage and experience earned percentage. So this is what you do, and you can get those inside the mission. Okay, so that's where they're at. So it's up to you to choose what you want. Okay, so that's the first part of the event. Okay, now we've also got the Iris of Light and Dark event back up. This is a rerun, so it's been done before. So they've got a bunch of new ships in the build. You've got Massachusetts, Libelin, Jean Bart, La Pinastra. You've got Dunkerque, Surcouf. So you've got quite a few ships available. These are French naval ships, USS ships. So there's a little bit of everything in here. Victory Dominion ships and whatnot. Okay, that's where Dunkerque is. As you know, this entire event, the Iris of Light, is based on what happened when the French, the British, and French happened at El Macrif. Okay, so it's the whole event is based off of that, and we had a little previous about that mentioned in the previous event, but this is the actual event that occurred. This is a rerun, so this has happened before. So this is just the full event being rerun. Iris of Light, and it's a chance to get some really good ships. And there's, of course, a shop open for that, of course, and you can see that right here. They've got some nice events. You know, they got La Triomphante. Lamar's is in here as well. Lamar's has, I'll show you the event as pertaining to her, a chance to get the skin for her. And then we've got a couple of guns, blueprints, parts. So pretty much a basic store. You get that by earning the Iris EQ, which you get from running the event. Okay. There's also a new prototype shop up. I'm going to discuss this in another video, because it's extremely advanced in what needs to be done on it, and I don't have enough time to go over it completely. But I will have another event going over that. It pertains to priority ship blueprints, so it's not something that you really need to worry about unless you're a veteran player. Okay. So that's associated with that. We got Radiant Iris. Now, this is a chance to get at 10,000. You will be able to get Emile Bertin. Okay, so and you'll be able to get multiple duplicates of her to limit break her. and this is just getting, you get this with earning the coins again that are available. Everything is based on the coins, so you just need to run the event, get as high as you can over and over and over. Okay, Sparkling Summer. This is the chance to get Lamar's outfit, and that is available to you at 8,000. And this is by using oil. So again, running the event to get the coins, you'll use oil. Okay, you see it's all linked as normal, so that's good. Another thing I want to go over specifically is the wishing well. Now the wishing well is underneath the build tab. If you go to your main screen, when you go to the build tab, you'll see a new link for it. Now basically this is a chance for you to increase the build percentage on a two ships of your choosing. Okay, so if you choose the special, you've got you know, all of the base ships. As you can see, these are the percentages. Okay, so if you choose, you've got, you know, this is only the ships that are available in the standard build pool, so this is not for event ships or anything like that. But like, you know, if you're looking to get I-26, maybe you want to get Tahoe, which is on my radar, I-19, and just any of these ships here that you might be missing. This is a chance to increase the percentage by 2% that you might actually do them. And then you've got a heavy ship category, you know, War Sprite Eugene's in here, Prince of Wales, you know, so there are some really good ships in here. If you know, so definitely, you know, definitely choose the ships, and make sure you choose the ships on the banner that you're going to pull, right? So don't choose a couple ships from, you know, the light ships and then pull on special ships, the special banner, because that's not going to work. You need to pull on the banner that you chose the ships for, and you'll get a 2% increase based on that that's already available. So you know, it's a nice increase, and it will help. Okay, and make sure you choose wisely, because once you choose it, you can't change it until the event is over. Okay, so that's a nice little thing they've got going on. Okay, so as you can see, a lot of stuff to keep you busy. They've got a bunch of new outfits that are available too, if you want to go check out the market. Okay, so you know, if you want to get some really hot skins, this is where you want to go. Okay, as you can see, they don't spare no graphically enticing ships up there. So definitely want to focus on that as well too. Okay, and this hits up. Now the event runs until 6/2. The shop will be up, of course. They always keep the shop up until about a week afterwards. So you'll have the shop until 6/10. So make sure that you use all your Iris AQ by before that date is up. All right. So that's everything that's in the new event. And like I say, it's good. It's good. It's a nice little event. This is a rerun, so some of you might have already been at it before. I was unable to participate in it the first time, so this will be really nice for me to get to see the event. And for those of you who weren't able to get some of those items in the first of the event, this is your chance to get them right now as the rerun is up. Okay, so just wanted to go ahead and get that event out there. It just came live on the East Coast here in the United States about an hour or so ago. Okay, so get in there and see what you can do. There's some, you've got a couple presents, and look in your mail. The compensation with a little bit of oil and some cubes. They also gave us some soft drinks for your dorm, and they also 3,500 oil. So get in there and get it. And this one right here is one that I haven't accumulated yet. It had so much oil in it, I wanted to wait until my oil got low before I used it, so I haven't used it yet. So that's where we're at. So as you can see, a lot of stuff, a lot of goodies in there. And we'll talk about the prototype core shop that's been implemented a little bit later in a separate event, because it's pretty involved. It basically endures a shop to get blueprints, but you have to reach you know, level 30 in the development stage. You have to fully max out your prototype ship. Okay, so so it takes a little while. So unless you're a veteran player, I mean, I'm still about one level away from completing Monarch. I haven't reached that yet, so we'll have to see. But yeah, I'll go ahead and talk about that at a later date. I just wanted to focus on the new event that did come up. So get into Manju Plaza there and have some fun playing around and get those buffs that you can get from the building materials that are in the actual mission tab. Okay, so pretty simple. This has the same focus as the other ones. Completing with 3 stars and using the to get the ships. You get a lot of Iris IQ by completing the missions. So make sure that you do actually complete all the events and clear them out 3 stars so that you can get the rewards. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff out there and a lot of rewards to get. Okay, so go ahead and click on the like button if you like that, and go ahead and remember to click on the subscription button. My game's going to reset, so it has to update here. So go ahead and click on the reset like button, and go ahead and click on the subscribe button and click on the bell beside it to be notified whenever I drop a video. So this is Kenrir. I'm in the corner, and I'm signing out.